Hey everyone, welcome back. So by now you have set up your single view app project, and we have the bundle ID that we'll need to actually create a project and associate it with our app. So what I'm going to need you to do is navigate to console.firebase.google.com and log in with your Google account. And what I'm going to do here is add a project. And it'll bring up this menu to add a project. I'm going to call this project my first Firebase app. And I'm going to keep this project ID the same. And you're going to want to change the country or region to match where you come from. And then I'm just going to hit Create Project. May take a few moments. Okay, so once the project comes up here, you're going to want to click on iOS. There's options for Android and maybe a web app, but of course this is the iOS version of Firebase that I'm showing you, so I'm going to click on iOS. And the first part of setting this up is to register your app. So this is where your bundle ID is going to come into play here. So let me open up my Xcode. This is just our project that we had created in the previous lecture. And I'm going to click on the project, and it's going to bring up this main menu here. And under General, you want to find your bundle ID here. So I am going to copy this, and I'm going to go back to my browser, and I will paste this in there. If you want to give your app a nickname, you can. I'm just going to leave it as optional. And if you have an App Store ID, you want to put it here as well, but it's also optional. So just click Register App. And it's going to have us download this Google Services info.plist. This is going to be allow our application to actually have permissions and use the Firebase. You're going to have to download this and include it on your project. And if I just bring up Xcode here and minimize this, go to my downloads, you can find it here. Just going to add it to the project. And you're going to want to make sure that it is a target of our project. If this wasn't checked, we'd very likely get errors and it would not recognize the file. So make sure this is checked and hit finish. Okay, so that just about takes care of all of that. I am going to stop here, and I will continue the lecture in the next part, where we'll actually go in and download or create the Firebase SDK and finish up the adding the initialization part of the code so we can get our app running. So until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye.